Hey, this is my philosophy in a nutshell, and I'll try and keep this under 3 minutes. Basically, I believe that there's a good and evil. That's classical philosophy, and I also believe that fuzzy logic, which is the new philosophy, fits into that. I think that you can reconcile the two. Um, but I go farther into ethics, and I've gotten to a point where I believe that good is not determined by virtue or pleasure. It's determined by selflessness or selfishness because basically all bad things or what are considered bad are selfish. You take money for yourself, you kill people, you take someone's life because you want to, etc., etc. And basically, most selfless things are seen as good. So, you know, I see it as a good bad scenario, um, but there's no way of telling who is totally selfless and totally selfish. So that's where fuzzy logic comes in, and it's kind of like there are degrees of truth to, whether or not they're good or bad. Um, well, that's my philosophy in about a minute 30 seconds, so you can beat that, and go ahead. But whatever. Just thought I'd share it with you.